How to find penny deals and items at Home Depot online. If you follow clearance shoppers on social media, you've probably heard of Home Depot penny items. Now, these are refurbished items, secondhand items, or items stored on the shop. As you can see, finding penny items isn't always as easy as stopping by the store. It can take a little bit of patience and legwork, but it's totally worth it. Now, this is not a guarantee that you will be getting um, a brand new products here at Home Depot, given by the word that it is a penny or the lowest price guarantee. So you just have to enjoy the adventure on checking on each of those items for you to be able to have those penny items online. Now, in addition, some Home Depot clearance tags directly relate to the item's discount. For example, the price is ending in point 0.6. It's equivalent to 25% off. Price is ending in point 0.4, that's 50%. Point 0.3, that's 75%. And point 0.2, that's 90% off. So it's kind of worth it, right? So all you just have to do is hover around or surf around the website and you will be able to see the lowest price guarantee or the penny items right there. So that's how you find penny deals and items at Home Depot online.